I will show you how to preserve fresh grapes for a long period of time. First, I will wash it and clean it from the stems. I will wash the cleaned grapes once more. Now I need clean and washed jars. I will fill the jars with grapes. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Do not fill the jars to the top. We fill the other jars in the same way. I filled the jars with grapes and I need lemon juice. I add a tablespoon of lemon juice to each jar. Lemon juice protects the contents of the jar from botulism. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. I pour cold water into the jars to cover the grapes. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan down on the stove. I'll cover it. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I will leave the jars to gradually cool in water. When the jars cool down, the center part of the lid must sink in. Store the jars in a dark place. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you.